Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can easily download and install PHP 7.4.12 on Windows 10. So these are the steps. Here you can see the current version is 7.4.12. At first we will download, then we will set the path, then we will also verify the installation whether we have installed PHP correctly or not. So at first we will download PHP for Windows 10 64-bit. Go to the browser. On Google type PHP. On pressing enter, you can see the official website is visible, php.net. Click on it. On clicking, you can see 7.4.12 released. Click on downloads. On clicking download, since we are going for Windows downloads, click on Windows download. Now we have reached the download section. 7.4.12. Here you can see non-thread safe as well as thread safe installation is given. Always remember, go for thread safe installation. Since we are installing on 64-bit OS, we will go for x64. Now the zip file is visible, 24 MB only. Click on it to download. Click on the zip. Now the download started. On the left you can see. You need to wait for a few seconds. Now the download completed, you can see in the bottom left. Click on the arrow, show in folder. So we downloaded under downloads folder. Here it is. Now it's a zip file. Right click to extract. Extract here. So guys, you can see we have successfully extracted it. Double click. So here is the folder. Now let's change the name. Rename. I'll just keep it to 7.4.12 PHP. Now here is our folder PHP. Right click, copy and go to C drive, program files and paste it here. Continue, give access. Now here is a folder, double click. Here are the files of PHP. You can see PHP ini for development, PHP ini for production and rest of the files. Here you need to copy this path to set the path. Now minimize this. Now we have reached the following section, set path, because we have downloaded it. Now let's set the path, that is environment variable. Now go to start, type variable. Click on edit the system environment variables. Now here under system properties advanced tab, go to environment variables, click on it. Here are the variables for only Amit user and here are system variables for all the users. So we will go to system variables, go to path and double click. Now here click on new and set the path, paste it here. So this was the path, if you remember. Here is the path, we copied this and pasted it there. We have pasted it here. Now click on OK. OK again and OK. Now we have set the path. Here we have completed the second step. Now we will check the installation, verify. Go to start, type CMD, click on it to open. Now the CMD is visible. Now what we'll do, type PHP, the command -v, press enter. Now on pressing enter, if the following is visible, that means we have successfully set up PHP on Windows 10. PHP 7.4.12 the version is visible. So guys, we have successfully installed PHP on Windows 10. These were the steps. At first we downloaded from php.net, thread safe version. Then we have set the path. Then we have verified the installation. Using the command php-v. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily set up PHP on Windows 10. We have set up 7.4.12 the current version. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks.